Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant. Now this is a fake prank email flasher design that sent fake prank email. Now let me show you guys how the user section is. Now this is the user section, which is nice. I know you guys might wonder how we're able to achieve this result. As you can see, this is how it is. It is sleek and it is nice. So this is how basically it is. If you want to know how we're able to do, watch this video to the end. If this is your first time on YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this video is all about how to create a fake email flasher website, and this is what you need to avoid whenever you see something like this. Now I just want to show you guys a quick setup on this. So I'm using Ostinga for this video section. So the very first stage, you go to your file manager. As you can see, this is my domain, which is empty. So you go to public_HTML and go to upload and select a file. So I've uploaded the file. The next section here is go back to your dashboard and create a company email account, which is easy to do. So I've created my company email account. So once you create an email, ensure to save your information on your notepad, very important. And the next section is go to database wizard or database. So let me just fill out this database information. So if you're using cPanel, once you imputed your username password, the next section it takes you get able to see a write-up, all privileges. Ensure to click on all privileges. Then let me just click create. Then you click on next step. Then automatically your database information will be created successfully. Then go straight to phpMyAdmin or enter phpMyAdmin. Then go to your database name and go to import. Then choose your file, and this is our database SQL. Then scroll down and click on import. Good. As you can see, our database has been imported successfully. Let me go back to my file. As you can see, this has been updated and uploaded successfully. So extract this. So since I'm using cPanel, so I have to HPanel, I have to put a folder. If you're using cPanel, before you extract this folder, ensure to go to your top right corner, click settings and show all or show hidden files. Then I'll double click on my folder, copy all and move to my public_HTML or my add-on domain. Then the next section here is you delete the folder you created and the zip file. So go to your .env and edit this file. Then I'll just copy my website link. I'll paste it here. Remove the slash behind it. This section here should be your website's name. Then your database information you created, paste it here. Good. So after you've done this, just click on save. Then go back to your website and reload. So guys, this is the website and this is nice. This is how the front end is. So users can register this and also earn money while users register. Let me just show you guys how it works basically. So log your admin information, your domain name. Let me open a new tab. It will be your domain name /admin login, but go back to your public_HTML, go to route, go to admin, edit this web.php. Now change this to your Now what you just have to do is you can just remove this login. You can use your website name at the end, or instead of using a website, use a name nobody knows about. Very, very important. Use a name nobody knows about. This is how you change your admin information. So let me just put, for instance, let me put Okocha. Then click on save changes. Remember, small letter, not capital letter. Then go back here and it will be your domain name / admin login / Okocha. So this is how you log your admin. So if you are installing this script, this is what you do. Alright, now how to get your admin logs. Go to your page in my admin, go to admins. Now once you come to admin, edit this and change this information. Always remove a space behind this. Let your email, while copy and paste, do not copy both the space together, if not you get errors. Then change this to your password and encrypt this. Then scroll down and click what go. So this is good. So once I come back here, so I'll put in my password and access this. So this is good. This is how it works basically. Now how to remove this from go back to your public _HTML, go to resources, go to views, go to admin, scroll down to sidebar and edit this. Then click on save. So let me reload this section. Good. So go to app settings. Then how to remove this also. Go back again to resources, views, admin. Go to settings. Go to app settings and show.blade. So this section here, just remove this DI and the closing tag of it. Then you click save, go back again and reload. So that's how you remove it. Now you change this to your company email name and your information. Then your email link, put it here, remove the slash. Then price per email flashing, meaning per email per use of the email is 10,000 naira. Okay, 10,000 naira. So you can put 100,000 per one email. Then 10,000. Then put your rest information and your logo. Then click update. Then go back to preference. Your company email. Your company email account. Paste it here. And show announcements, enable email verification. Now this email verification is needed just to safeguard your website from spam. Okay, now I go to email logins, put your information. Here will be your website's name. Since I'm using Hostinga, so mine is http.hostinga.com. Once you create your email account, go to your email, your web mail. The first inbox you get is your mail configuration settings. Then go to SMTP outgoing server, put your SMTP host there, which is 465. Then copy your password you created and paste your password. Then click save. You can just go back to send mail and click save. Good. So we've done that. Then go back to settings. Go to payment settings, and now this is for bank transfer. Users can send you bank transfer. Then if you come to currency, change this to your Naira currency. Okay, put the minimum amount for users to transfer through bank. Then the currency. I'll click save changes, and users can also pay through Bitcoin. So view on this and remove this to your wallet address. Type both for withdrawal and deposit, enable this and click save changes. Now this type here is crypto. We change it to currency to show you bank details, change it to crypto to show you wallet details. Okay, so you just have to go through everything and disable the ones you don't need. To disable, if you click on USDT, go to enable this and click on this and disable and save changes. So this is how it works. So that's that for this section. Now let me show you guys how the user section works without further ado. So what next is click on get started. Now this link you send is if you send a user this link, they'll click on get started. Now this is a fake email flasher, a prank tools, not to be used for any other purpose. This is just for educational purpose and to enlighten you guys mind to understand that this is what this is used for, and to free yourself from any forms of fraudulent acts or people. Then let me select a strong password. So you can make it white. Now this is for verify email. Let me go to my email. You can see this is it. So I'll just click on verify email address. So guys, this is the user section of this website. Now let me just proceed straight to front, and the next section here, let me deposit 80,000. And users will select the available information. If I click on the Bitcoin and click proceed to payment, now you can see not available, right? So once I have made the payment, let me upload the payment proof. So I'll click on mark as completed. So once I go back to the admin section, I'll go to manage deposit. We click on the eye icon, as you can see. This is the deposit receipt, and click on process. Just go to manage deposits. It has been processed already. Then I'll come back here and go to dashboard. As you can see, so if the user gets below 10,000, they wouldn't be able to use the flash email. So this is how it works. Now users can, once that amount is finished, they won't be able to use anything here until they have to deposit. Now this is a fake image flash service. So let me click on flash service and let me just select for instance Coinbase. So the sender, who is sending this, let me put who is sending this, let me put my company email. This is the sender. Then this is for the receiver email, who is receiving. Type of email, this should be deposit, and this if you want to put this for withdrawal, mark as withdrawal. Then the amount for this channel, let me just say 40,000. So wallet address of the user, then generate flash transaction. So now this is how the fake prank email transfer works. So let me go back to the email. So go back to your admin, go to settings, go to app settings, go to email, and go to email configuration section. Remember the first time we save this as send mail, just go back to SMTP and save this. Once you save this, just go back to your dashboard. Okay, now this is our email for the Coinbase, as you can see. So let me do it again. If you go to flash service to send another fake prank email, so let me just do this for this, and the sender email address, put a Gmail rather than a company email. Then select any of these. Let me just say update. Then any wallet address and generate. So this is how it works. Now this is just a fake prank email message. Now if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube platform. Now what you're seeing is per email flash email sending. See, it's taking out 10,000 naira for this. 10,000 naira for this. So users can add multiple amount, but it will take 10,000 naira. So instead of you to do that, go back to app settings, then change this to you can change this to per email flashing is 40,000 naira. Okay, so users can do this for those twice depending on amounts they fund. So that's how it works basically. This is for educational purpose only, and this is how designs works most times. Okay, so this is all about this website. If you like this script, guys, hit the subscribe button, like and share, comment on my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next video.